Priyanka Gandhi, it's been clear, has been pushing forward in the state of Uttar Pradesh for the Congress. She's become the face of the party in the poll-bound state. Let's get you this report on Priyanka Gandhi's visit to Varanasi, where again she lashed out at the Yogi government over what's happened in Lakhimpur.
Priyanka Gandhi sounds poll bugle in Uttar Pradesh. In Prime Minister Narendra Modi's bastion, Varanasi, with a Durga mantra. On her visit to temple city Varanasi, Priyanka prayed at the revered Kashi Vishwanath temple and Durga temple.
ये आंदोलन इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ये जानते हैं कि
and addressed a Kisan Nyay rally.
उनके जरिए उनकी आमदनी, उनके खेत.
While speaking from Prime Minister Modi's bastion, Priyanka slammed Yogi government over Lakhimpur violence.
उनके कब्जे में होने वाली है. इस देश के गृह राज्य मंत्री के बेटे ने अपनी गाड़ी के नीचे, अपनी जीप के नीचे 6 किसानों को निर्ममता से कुचल दिया और सब परिवार 6 के 6 परिवार ये कहते हैं कि हमें पैसे नहीं चाहिए, हमें मुआवजा नहीं चाहिए, हमें न्याय चाहिए. लेकिन हमें न्याय दिलवाने वाला इस सरकार में हमें नहीं दिख रहा है.
Upping the ante against UP government, Congress had put large banners demanding resignation of Union Minister Ajay Kumar Mishra and the withdrawal of farm laws. Lakhimpur violence has taken center stage in poll-bound state of Uttar Pradesh. From MIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi to SP chief Akhilesh Yadav, opposition has been up in arms.
अगर आशीष की जगह उसका नाम अतीक होता, आशीष की जगह उसका नाम अतीक होता तो क्या बुलडोजर नहीं कर जाता उसके घर के ऊपर?
जो लोग किसान को कुचल सकते हैं, कानून को कुचल सकते हैं, उन्हें देर नहीं लगेगी कि एक बार वो संविधान को भी कुचल देंगे.
BJP MP Varun Gandhi, who was recently ousted from top BJP body, the National Executive, warned against giving Hindu versus Sikh narrative to the violent clashes, calling it immoral. BJP, however, assured that the culprits will be brought to justice.
एक प्रक्रिया है, उस प्रक्रिया के अंदर जो भी दोषी होगा, ये योगी जी बड़ा स्पष्ट कह चुके हैं कि जो भी इस सारे मामले में दोषी होगा सबको सजा मिलेगी.
Can Lakhimpur help the opposition corner the Yogi government in coming assembly polls?
After grilling in the marathon interrogation for 12 hours, Ashish Mishra has been sent in the judicial custody. On the other hand, SIT has gone on the spot and investigated, with the fact that now the opposition is also raising questions over the resignation of the minister Ajay Mishra Teni. It looks like that now for the son and the father, problems are not going to decrease with the fact that the arresting has been made. In Lakhimpur Kheri with cameraman Harish Kanpal, Abhishek Mishra for India Today.